We're here at a residential pool to show you how to install Zeobrite and Zeobrite Extreme. Ray Wilkes will be doing the installation for us. Let's go catch up with Ray right now.
Okay, we're here today to change out the zeolite that's in this TR100. The first thing we do is we take the timer and turn it off and make sure it won't come on during the hours we're working. The next thing we do is we take the multi-port valve and we put it on backwash, because when we turn it back on and do everything, we want to backwash it, the media, before we run it to the pool. Now we take the top off. It spins off. Not quite that easy, but it spins off. The next thing we do is we take off the bottom drain plug. What that does is it allows it to drain out. It makes it simpler to suck out the zeolite. Once we take this off and get it out, we use a shop vac to take the existing media out of the filter. Now, I've seen people do it by hand, but using the shop vac is a lot faster and more convenient. Then once you get all the media out, you rinse it out real good. That's good. Turn it off. And then suck out the residue. Oop. That will get it. That should do it. When you finish filling up the filter with Zeobrite Extreme, you're already in the backwash mode. Put the lid on, tighten it down, and fill the rest of the container with water till it comes to the top here. And as soon as it does, then shut it down and let it set for 30 minutes so it can soak. And then after it sets 30 minutes, then you backwash it to get the residue out. We've let the media sit in the tank for 45 minutes soaking in water. So now we're going to backwash it. This particular tank does not have a sight glass on the backwash multi-port valve. So what we have to do is we let water out the top of the filter where the air comes out, and when it gets clear, then we'll know that the media inside is clean. So here we go. On backwash. All right, we're gonna let it set a minute and do it again. We shut the filter off on backwash. Now we're going to put it on rinse, and we'll rinse for a minute or two to make sure we've got all the dirt and dust out of the top of the filter. Then we'll turn it to the pool. So we turn that to there. That's set. Put it on rinse. Open this. Once it's nice and clean, then we shut it off and we turn it to filter. Now the water will filter through the filter and go back into the pool.